Please! One house! Please, Nini, please.
People say we should do this thing.
Please, we can't all speak at the same time. Please, guys, please. One house, please.
I even believe wait, maybe you are not understanding what I said.
She's allowed to ask questions.
You are not understanding. I said we're all sat here. Okay. You and me, you can come close, I can come close. We're Igbos. Everybody will listen. We're not bringing up story. I'm not saying I'm bringing up story. You and me are not going to go and create story. Yeah. You tell me from Enugu, oh, you people eat up, you people do this, so I'll be like, oh, from Owerri, we do X, Y, Z. They are listening to you and me. That's all we're saying. Yoruba will say, okay, this one, that one. I just want to hear specific main culture. That is all I want to hear. Before I go out and think of the story and all of us can come back.
Let's do it now. You know where you're from. You know where your tribe is. Let everybody say their own and let's have the knowledge. Do you understand? It will influence the people that will write the story. Go and do your thing. The people that want to do the musical, go and do your thing. People that want to do the narrative, go and do your thing. We'll come back together and we make it happen, please. But let's just know everybody. It will influence the story.
Yes.
So let's do it, please.